Did you know nearly two-thirds of drivers have been scammed by a mechanic? And most never even realize it? Mechanics don't just fix cars, they know how to fix you. Using fear, confusion, and fake urgency, they turn simple visits into expensive nightmares. Today, I'm exposing 13 of the most common mechanic scams, the tricks they don't want you to know, and exactly how to fight back. Scam number 1, the urgent fluid flush. You come in for a quick oil change, and suddenly the mechanic walks out holding a dirty jar of fluid, claiming your coolant is toxic and your engine might die. Reality check. Most fluids last 50,000 to 100,000 miles, not 30,000 like they claim. Shady shops push early flushes because they're easy profits, $150 to $300 each. And here's the kicker. Sometimes that dirty sample isn't even from your car. Ask for a test strip or report, and always compare it to your owner's manual. Scam number 2, the check engine panic. That little orange light is a gold mine for dishonest mechanics. They know it triggers fear, so they quote $1,000 repairs before even checking. But nearly 1 in 10 check engine lights come from minor issues like a loose gas cap. Buy a $20 OBD2 scanner, plug it in, and look up the code yourself. For example, P0455 equals gas cap. P0171 equals small vacuum leak. Most are cheap, 5-minute fixes. Don't pay dealership prices for a simple reset. Scam number 3, the air filter drama. A mechanic shows you a dusty filter and says your engine's choking. In reality, air filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Take a quick photo of yours before service. If they show you something else, they're lying. Replace only when it's truly dirty, not when someone waves it under your nose. Scam number 4, the synthetic oil upsell. You need synthetic oil. Sounds high-tech, right? But unless your manual specifically says required, you don't. About 75% of cars can safely run on conventional oil. Synthetic helps in extreme climates or high-performance engines. Otherwise, it's just marketing. Check your oil cap or manual, not the mechanic sales pitch. Scam number 5, brake pad fear tactics. Brakes are emotional. Mechanics exploit that. They'll say your pads are dangerously low, even when you've got miles left. Truth, pads are fine until about 3 millimeters thick, but shops push replacements at 5 millimeters or more. Ask for measurements, photos, and listen for natural squealing indicators. A second opinion can save you hundreds. Scam number 6, the factory parts only lie. Dealers love to say aftermarket parts void your warranty. Total nonsense. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. As long as you use parts equivalent in quality, your warranty stays valid. In fact, 89% of aftermarket parts perform just as well, often for half the price. Always ask for options. OEM isn't your only choice. Scam number 7, overcharging for simple jobs. $150 to replace a cabin air filter? Please, that's a 5-minute, tool-free job on most cars. Look up your model on YouTube or in the manual. It's often behind a glove box. Save the labor fee for real repairs, not easy DIYs. Scam number 8, phantom repairs. This one's infuriating. Shops bill you for parts they never replaced. They'll claim they changed a pump or filter, but didn't touch a thing. Protect yourself. Ask to see old parts, take before and after photos, and look for vague terms on the invoice like system serviced. That's a red flag for a job that never happened. Scam number 9, the free inspection trap. Free inspection sounds generous, but 22% of them lead to fake upsells. Mechanics exaggerate wear on suspension, hoses, or belts, pressuring you to approve repairs on the spot. Never say yes immediately. Real emergencies are rare. You have time to think, check, and compare. Scam number 10, the shock and strut routine. You've hit 60,000 miles. Time for new shocks. Not always. Shock life depends on roads and driving style, not just mileage. Do a quick test. Push down on each corner of your car. If it bounces more than twice, maybe replace. If not, keep your $1,000. Scam number 11, inflated labor hours. A 30-minute job build as 3 hours? Classic padding. Check fair rates on RepairPal.com. And always ask for a parts and labor breakdown before approving. Honest shops explain time and cost clearly. Scammers avoid detail. Scam number 12, the lifetime service lie. Pay once, protected for life. Sounds great. Until you read the fine print. Those lifetime services require constant inspections. Or surprise, they find new paid repairs. Nothing in a car lasts forever. Don't fall for the illusion of permanent protection. Scam number 13, the fake emergency. When you hear words like catastrophic, critical, or unsafe, pause. Scare language is a manipulation tool. Ask for proof, photos, old parts, test results. If they can't show it, it's not urgent. Final rule. Whenever a shop calls something urgent, stop and ask for evidence. Check reviews, get a second opinion, and keep every receipt. Because once a mechanic knows you understand the game, they'll stop playing it. Confidence beats scams every time. The more you know your car, the harder it is for anyone to take advantage of you.